because I'm about to go to the supermarket. It's a huge market and have different sections. Let me show you what can we buy there. Let's go. Here we are. Hi. Let's grab a shopping cart first. Ta-da! Because next year it will be the tiger year, so there are many tigers here.
Do you know this game? I think you know very well, right? What is it? Let me check. Yeah, Angry Birds.
We are going to the second floor. There are many food there. A live crab.
This is dried fish. This is squid. Smell is so bad. You cannot imagine. Like someone didn't get a shower 2 weeks or 1 month, I think. Guess what is it? This is small shrimps, small dried shrimps. This is also dried shrimps. Just different type of shrimps. And this one, how do you think, what is it? Text us under this video, how do you think?
This is the traditional food of China. We all like to eat this during the New Year. Let's buy one.
Here have some like Chinese salami, I think something like that. Also here sales is discount. One package is around $4, I think. And this is, how do you think who? This is a duck. Chinese people eating it for the Chinese New Year. Let's guess what I show you now. Do you know this fruit? Maybe you know this fruit. Name is durian. This is the bad smell fruit. Even some hotel forbid to go inside people who have this durian. In our Hunan province, all food is pretty spicy. And chili pepper you can buy everywhere. Everywhere selling a lot, red and green. Green is more spicy than red.
Now we are going to the meat section. There are chicken, beef, and pork.
Here selling some inside of different animals. This is a beef, this is a cow. This is a liver and some another part you can see. Also here you can buy full duck. You can bake it or do anything, something else. And of course, favorite Chinese chicken legs with the nails. And also here you can find a lot of tofu. This is this tofu and boiled tofu and tofu, everywhere is tofu. All of this tofu. And here you can buy duck blood. See? This is real duck blood. For sure, we won't open it because I should buy it, and I don't want to buy it actually, but this is real duck blood. Now in China it's very popular to buy whole milk, but actually Chinese people don't like real milk, so all this milk, Chinese milk, I mean from the powder. And you can use this milk for 1 year. If you open the bottle and put this milk in your fridge, 1 year after you open it, you can use it for your cook. Dumplings, this is traditional Chinese food, and you can buy a lot of dumplings, full section of Chinese dumplings. For example, this is dumplings with shrimps right inside. Here you can find dumplings with beef and also pork dumplings, and even you can find mixed meat and corn. See? This is Chinese traditional vodka named baijiu. Have a lot of different style. If you ever been in China, for sure you try. Baijiu have very special smell. I can't tell you there it is a bad smell, but very special smell, and not every foreigner like it. This is the most famous brand for baijiu. I'm sorry, I can't tell you the name of this brand, as I cannot speak Chinese. So you can just check. If you have a big party or wedding or something, you can buy a lot of baijiu. 5 liters of baijiu, 5 liters of Chinese vodka. Would you like to try it and see what I show you? This is 50% alcohol there. Would you like to try it? But also, except baijiu, you can buy import wines, champagne, even whiskey, different kind of whiskey, vodka. This is Poland vodka. This is rum, tequila. This is Absolute. This is the most famous vodka in China. Here also have a lot of import alcohol. Again, vodka, rum, different liquors here, and Chinese and import. So even have especially for our friends from Germany, Jägermeister. Oh my God, did you try it before? Everywhere Chinese people were like to eat chips, but taste of chips can be very different from your country. For example, this one, this is Cheetos, see? But see this taste, this is lime and some nut. Can you imagine? Here you can see black lace. Even I don't understand what the taste. What do you think about lace with wasabi? See? And this is my favorite one. This is lace with lime. And the king of Chinese snakes. Oh my God, have you tried that before? This is black tofu. Even on Chinese language, this product have a name Chu tofu. What's mean bad smell tofu. Actually, smell like toilet is open and nobody can eat it from the foreigners. But Chinese thinking the taste is pretty well and much better than smell. And one of the favorite of Chinese snacks, this is chicken and duck legs. This is real duck legs with lemon, and this is real chicken legs with red pepper, with chili. This is very spicy, no have any meat, but Chinese very like to eat it. Here the section of traditional Chinese tea. You can buy ready box of tea, or you can buy just dry flowers, dry plants, and make tea by yourself. This is traditional black tea. Here this is chrysanthemum and some other plants. I Told you China very likes spicy food, so even if no fresh spicy food, they're using pepper like that. This is chili with water. You can add it in any your dish and your dish will super spicy. All your mouth will burn. Here you can buy everything for Chinese hot pot. What is it, hot pot? You're buying this one and putting the water. After that, you're take a lot of fresh meat, vegetables, everything what you want. And when your water will boil in, you will put food there like that. This is also Chinese traditional dish. Also in China, if you don't want to stay in line, have this machine. You just put products in there, put your WeChat code, and this machine taking money from your WeChat immediately online.
We finished shopping. See you next time. Bye.